Astagfirullah! Wabillahi!
Look at this, a rare and mesmerizing fire tornado. Scorching flames collide with powerful winds, creating this jaw-dropping display of nature's raw and unpredictable power.
Yo, look at, yes I did. Look at that.
The future of transportation is here.
Oh man.
Captured on a home security camera, a rare and breathtaking moment. A meteor streaking across the sky, crashing into the earth, and showcasing an incredible display of nature's raw power. Watch as powerful waves hit California's Santa Cruz Harbor on December 2024, overturning boats and destroying docks. In China, you can mine without ever leaving your desk. Talk about working in comfort.
In Norway, an ice dam suddenly bursts, unleashing a massive surge of water and ice that tears through the frozen landscape. A breathtaking moment showcasing nature's power.
In Norway, a home was swept away by powerful floodwaters, crashing into a bridge before it shattered and floated off in pieces, carried by the relentless current. Behold the stunning beauty of the Dolomites in Italy, where the majestic peak glows under the golden sun. Known as the Throne of God, this awe-inspiring landscape showcases the true grandeur of nature.
got some horseshoe crabs here. These guys are so neat. Look at them climb up into my little hand. Hey.
This man caught a huge snake in the street during a flood in Thailand. A remarkable and daring moment in the face of nature's chaos.
อะไรครับเนี่ยอนาคอนดาใช่ไหม
Devastating erosion was captured in Shamsherganj, India, as rising waters swept away homes and damaged structures near the riverbank, leaving residents in despair.
Lightning strikes with incredible force, completely destroying the tree in just seconds.
I've had to pull over to get out of the car. It's at the Hyatt to see this. Someone has bubble bathed the fountain. I've literally pulled over, parked the car at the Hyatt to get out and see this.
Check out this intense footage of a tornado ripping through Harry Street in Wichita, Kansas, leaving destruction in its wake. Watch as this tiny crab skillfully creates its burrow in the sand.
Caralho, cadê a moça?
4 metros, filhão! Maluco, o que é isso?
Ah lá, pela retroescavadeira.
Jogou algo em cima, moleque, ele saindo. Olha isso! Cadê tudo, cachorro? Ó, aqui tá.
Watch as a powerful flash flood sweeps through a village in Afghanistan in July 2024, leaving behind widespread devastation. As you can see, a man is swept away by the powerful floodwaters, struggling to keep himself from being carried further. Luckily, he managed to pull himself to safety, escaping the danger just in time.
It's gonna go. Keep watching, keep watching.
There it is. Whoa, wow! Phenomenal! Big wall!
Imagine this. You're late for work, and your boss asks, "Why are you late?" Well, you've got the perfect proof. Just show them this video. The aftermath of a snowstorm on Newfoundland Island is nothing short of incredible. It looks like they could use a much bigger snowplow to tackle this. Watch as this terrifying floodwater destroys a home in India.
That's a big one.
Earthquake.
A Japanese girl was live streaming when suddenly she received an earthquake warning notification on her phone. Just 5 seconds later, the earthquake struck. Look at this funny moment. Two penguin groups heading in different directions, but when they collided, some got totally confused about which way to go. A massive crack splits the Brunt ice shelf in Antarctica, showcasing the raw force of nature as the ice fractures and begins to drift away. A trailer crashes into a storm chaser's car during a powerful tornado, capturing the sheer force and danger of nature's wrath. Captured in Pakistan, this powerful flash flood thunders through the valley, carrying rocks and debris, a stunning demonstration of nature's relentless force. Check out this powerful earthquake.
இது செங்கோட்டை பல்க் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு வீடு. இந்த வீடே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு முழுங்கிருச்சு. அதாவது செங்கோட்டை பல்க் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு வீடுங்க.
This CCTV footage shows a teacher lecturing students in a classroom when suddenly a powerful earthquake strikes, causing chaos in the room. Check out this incredible scene from São Paulo's countryside in Brazil, where a massive tornado-like formation dominates the skies. A devastating landslide struck Murree, Pakistan, causing destruction and chaos in its path. powerful 6.8 magnitude earthquake has struck near one of Tibet's holiest cities in China, shaking the ground and leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Unbelievable. A headless fish casually swims around. A fascinating glimpse into the mysteries of nature and the wonders of creation. Look at this terrifying moment as a 7.1 magnitude earthquake shakes Nepal and Bihar. The streets tremble, vehicles lose balance, and chaos erupts, capturing the raw force of nature in real time. A massive and powerful eruption of Canlaon volcano unleashed widespread destruction in the Philippines in December 2024.
Jesus!
Oh, it's
Heavy rains in Pakistan create a mesmerizing scene as floodwaters plunge into the ground, highlighting the power of nature in action.
Do you think this car can flip the bus? Pause the video and share your thoughts in the comments below.
Look at this scorpion glowing under UV light. Its exoskeleton absorbs and re-emits the light, creating a mesmerizing biofluorescent effect. A huge, massive landslide crashes down with unstoppable force, reshaping the landscape in an instant. Watch this incredible scene from Iceland, where a worker uses an excavator to try and stop the flow of lava. A remarkable display of human determination against nature's fiery force. Look at this terrifying mudslide that occurred in Iran. On a clear day in July 2023, a chilling reminder of nature's unpredictable power.